That's really dependent on that wind speed. The higher the wind speed and of course the lower the temperature, then the lowest those wind chills can get. And what the wind chill factor, kind of how it works, you have a little bit of a layer of warm air right around your body, and the wind, it displaces that and replaces it with colder air, and we see that on repeat. Thankfully, we're not into the -17 to -35. That's when you get under 30 minutes for frostbite, but still 30, 45 minutes. Prolonged exposure outside with those wind chills -10 to 5 could be leading to some frost nip or frostbite. So this is how the wind chill calculation goes. You got to remember your multiplication tables back in middle school. You find 15 degrees, you find 20-mile-per-hour winds for this morning, and you get that wind chill down to -2. As you head for the afternoon, although our air temperature climbs up towards 25, that wind speed's still 20, so that puts our wind chill down to 11. Heading for tomorrow morning, expecting a little bit more in the way of some wind. Similar temperatures, though, that'll put us right back to that -2. Not quite as bad as our extremes, though. 2023, it felt like -33 back in 2015, feeling like -27. So bundle up, but things could be worse.